so much po. Thank you so
No.
much.
It's my pleasure to be part of your very special night, Klang. I was in your very first one. Yes, dyan sa kanto lang. Dyan lang sa kanto. And, you know, back then, I was very proud of you already. Natutuwa ako na ang daming blessings na natatanggap mo at ibinibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. Alam mo kung bakit? Bakit po, Miss Reg? Pwede wag maingay. Serious to eh. Because you waited. You waited, and you waited for a long time. And I'm sure a lot of those times you were already questioning if it's ever gonna come your way. And finally, it's here. So we are all very proud of you. Lahat ng taong nandito ang ipinunta, ikaw. Hindi kami. Ikaw ang ipinunta. So,
Maraming salamat, Mr.
congratulations. I just want to say that I'm very proud of you sa maikling panahon na nagkakilala tayo. Siguro mga 30 years na, no? Oo. Napakabait po nitong taong ito.
Wow.
Kaya ang masasabi ko lang ay, deserve!
Deserve! Thank you so much, Miss Reg. Alam niyo naman po, isa ka po talaga sa mga inspirasyon ko ever since.
Talaga
And
ba?
tama ka, Miss Reg, yung unang concert ko na doon ka rin po sa kabilang kanto.
Tuloy.
And to be fair po, parehong walang TF. Ganyan ka ba?
Alam ko yun, may TF ako!
Ay! Ala!
Yung TF mo napunta sa akin.
Ganun po ka-generous ang Mr. Jean Velasquez Alcacid. Isang mo naman. Ooh! Malabit na cherry.